Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a frequency polygon using Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted a clear visual way to show how your data is distributed, whether for a school project, analyzing survey results, or just playing with statistics, a frequency polygon is a fantastic tool. And the best part, you don't need any advanced software, you can do it all right in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your raw numbers into a sleek, informative frequency polygon in just a few minutes. All right, let's dive in. So first things first, make sure you have your data ready to go in Google Sheets. If you're starting from scratch, it usually helps to lay your data out in two columns, one for the class intervals or data points and one for the frequency of each. But if you've already got your data organized, you're one step ahead. Having the data ready just keeps everything flowing smoothly as we jump into making the chart. Now with your data highlighted, head up to the menu bar and click on Insert. This is where Google Sheets hides most of its charting magic. From the drop-down, go ahead and select Chart. Sometimes this can take a moment to pop up, especially if you have a big spreadsheet, so don't worry if it lags for a second. Google Sheets will usually try to guess the best chart for your data, but for frequency polygons, we want to take the reins ourselves. Next, look over at the chart editor that appears on the right side. Under the chart type section, you'll have a lot of options, probably more than you'll ever need. What we're looking for is the line chart or the combo chart. Either one can work perfectly for building a frequency polygon. A line chart gives a simple, clean look, letting you draw a clear line from point to point. A combo chart, on the other hand, can let you overlay bars or other elements if you want to show more context. For today, let's keep it straightforward and choose the line chart. Just click on it, and you'll instantly see your data transformed into a smooth, connected line across the screen. That's your frequency polygon coming to life. Now here, where you can start to make it your own. Google Sheets gives you a ton of customization options. You can adjust the colors, change the line thickness, add data point markers, tweak the chart title, and even set custom axis labels. Don't be afraid to play around here. A chart that's visually clear and easy to read is always more helpful than one that's cluttered or confusing. You can match the colors to your presentation, adjust the font so it's readable from across the room, or add grid lines if you want to emphasize where each data point lands. It's all about making your frequency polygon work for your audience, or even just for yourself when you're analyzing trends. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Once you're happy with how your frequency polygon looks, you can copy it into a report, share it with classmates, or even present it right out of Google Sheets. Don't worry if your chart doesn't look perfect on the first try. It's super easy to go back and tweak any of the options as much as you want. So there you have it. Building a frequency polygon in Google Sheets is quick, simple, and a great way to visualize your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another chart you'd like to learn about next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials each week. Thanks for watching and happy charting.